Thank you for having a look at Liquid Author. A basic but not obvious thing to start with is that you can use the Escape key to go in and out of full screen. Also, you can toggle the editing mode, which is what you're seeing right now, into a reading mode by clicking Done at the bottom center of the window and then Edit to toggle back into edit mode. The reading mode is useful when going through longer documents because it allows you to do things like use the spacebar to scroll down a full screen, and you can even select text and use the spacebar to hear the text spoken.
Welcome to Liquid Author.
You will also have noted that the tint of the document is warmer in edit mode and colder in read mode. Author is primarily an authoring application, of course, so we will stay in edit mode for most of this demo. To use Author, I strongly recommend getting into the hang of using the keyboard shortcuts, most of which are exactly what you're used to, with a few new ones specific to Author. To learn the keyboard shortcuts, you can control-click on the text you want to do something with, and the keyboard shortcuts are shown on the right. Let's start with assigning text as headings. You can see that Command 1 will set the heading to level 1 and so on. Once you've assigned headings, you can pinch on your trackpad to collapse the document to show only the headings, which you can then click on to jump to or pinch back out to return to the regular view. I'll open Doug Engelbart's 1962 report, Augmenting Human Intellect, and show you how this looks in a longer document. Pinch to collapse, pinch back out, pinch in again, and then click on a heading to jump to it. Pinch in again, click on a heading, and there we go. When reading a longer document, it can be useful to specify what you want to see. For example, only sentences with certain keyword text. Instead of a find command which yellow highlights text in your document, in Author you can select any text and do Command F to see only the sentences with that text, like this. You can do Command F again to return to the regular view, or you can click on a sentence to jump to it. To add a citation in Author, select the text you want to assign the citation to, do Command T and choose how you want to add the citation information. You can choose to enter the information manually so that you can cite from a myriad of sources, or you can choose to search by title if you're citing a book. If you choose search by title, type in the name of the book, hit enter and choose from the search results. You can now choose how you want the citation to be displayed in the document. If you want to cite from the web, copy the text you want from Safari, go back to Author, and you can either select the text in Author you want to assign the citation information to, and do Command T, and you will now have the option to cite from Safari URL. Alternatively, you can paste, and Author will ask you to choose to paste as plain text or a citation. Whichever way you choose, you will need to fill in the author's name, since that is not part of the standard web page meta information. If you would like to cite a video, go to YouTube and control-click at the moment you want the citation to start from, and choose Copy Video URL at current time. Go back to Author and select the text you want to assign the citation to, and you will now have the option to cite from YouTube URL. You will also have to manually enter the author's name when doing a video citation, just like you did for web citation, since the video does not contain information about the speaker at that moment. When you are in read mode, you can click on a citation to access sources, such as watching the video citation from the very point it started right inside Author.
I think it's this whole framework.
Liquid Author's companion, Liquid Flow, is integrated into Author. You can access it through the control-click menu if you like, but it's far faster and more effective through keyboard shortcuts. Please note that Flow works inside all modern macOS applications, not just Author. I've set the keyboard shortcut to my preference, something you can see how to do by clicking on the gears icon to the right inside Flow and then choosing the question mark for help. Just like Author, Flow has keyboard shortcuts indicated to the right of the commands. For example, R for references and then W for Wikipedia is a quick way to access Wikipedia. In this example, I will look up etymology using only keyboard shortcuts. Flow has commands for search, which you can customize if you get the in-app upgrade, references, conversions for numbers, translations, as well as advanced copying commands and sharing options. When you've finished authoring, you can share your document in its native .liquid format with other author users, post to WordPress using Flow, and if you pay for the in-app upgrade, you can choose to export as PDF, Word, and so on. In the export screen, you can choose to specify how the citations will be exported. Wherever you chose brackets as your display style in the document, you can now choose to have them stay brackets or become superscript numbers. You can also choose whether the automatically appended citation section at the back of the document will be called references or bibliography. When you open your exported document, you will see that it's also added a cover page, and you can see your citations added correctly at the back. Thank you for watching this video. This is a real passion project for me, so this is just the start. To learn more about the related work, search for the Future of Text, and you will find information about our symposium, the journal project, and our institute. Please get in touch if you have any questions or comments. You can reach me at frode@liquid.info.